Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a nice vegetable recipe named Petjil. But before I go any further, I'd like to ask you to please like, share and comment on this video. If you are new here, please subscribe. So let's begin. So as you can see, I got bean sprouts here. I have long beans. We named it kousenband in my language. I got a cabbage here. And I got instant peanut butter sauce, hot peanut butter sauce. So, let us begin. So, I have the bean sprout here, and I always clean it by removing the little green skins of the beans. You see this here? There is a little green skin on it. You might not see it well, but they remove most of it, but there's still a little, and that I will remove before I will cook the sprouts. So now I'm gonna cut the long beans. I will remove the ends because we will not need the ends. And I will try to cut it finger length. Just a finger length, let me say, the length of my little finger. Now, just do it like this. Well, I've washed the bean and I have them here in a pot with water, and I will add one basic broth. Then I will put this on fire and let them cook until the beans are crunchy. You will not overcook them, you will cook them until they are crunchy. So now I will cut the cabbage. Then I will remove this hard part in the middle. Then I will cut it just like this. Well, the cabbage are also in a pot with water. And I will also add one basic broth cube and put it on fire. So I have here about 250 milliliters of hot water, and I will dissolve the instant peanut hot sauce. I have 2 packages, and I will dissolve both of them. Then I will put this to cook. Well, the long beans are cooking. Then I will taste in between if it is already crunchy. It is crunchy. That means that I'm ready. So I have the peanut sauce here, and I will let it cook until it gets thicker. because you want the sauce to be thicker. Well, the cabbage is also at boiling point, and I will taste it now to see if it is crunchy, just like I did with the beans. So remember that when the vegetables are on the boiling point, they get crunchy. Then you can turn off the heat because it is ready. So let me check the sauce now. It's getting thicker. And at this point I will turn out the heat and let it rest. So if your sauce is not getting as thick as you want, then you can add a little bit more of the instant peanut sauce and then stir. And then you may put the heat back on, just a little bit more. Then that will be 2.5 package of instant peanut butter sauce, and I'll put it back on the heat and bring it back to boil to get the thickness. Well, this water is boiling for the sprouts. I'm gonna blanch the sprouts. You could have also blanched the other vegetable, but the way I did it to cook it and when it is on boiling point is also a good method, because if you put you will put the vegetables in this hot water, then you would also let it cook about 3 to 4 minutes. Well, now I'm gonna blanch the sprouts. For about 3 minutes, because you also want them to be nice and crunchy. So, and now I'm gonna show you how to serve the petjil. Put some of the long beans on a plate. Then some of the cabbage. You want it to be a neat plate, so you will make sure that everything is neat on that plate. And then the sprout. And for this plate you can add even a little bit more of the long beans. So this will look better. So now you have the long beans, then you will add some of the peanut sauce on top of it. Then you have your petjil. add some sauce like this. And for your guests, your guests have a nice and clean plate, don't you? Then you will remove this. Add a clean it up with a wet towel, so it will have a neat look. So isn't this a fresh and neat plate? This is how I do it. So this is your Petjil. That was it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.